Whether you're conducting personal business or running a multi-million-dollar corporation, one factor remains constant: change. Often science or technology inspires the change and dictates the direction we take. Advances can also come from new ideas on management or networking. However change happens, keeping up with it is crucial in today's business world.
Entrepreneurs, small business owners, large corporations, the primary job providers in our nation, and most doing their level best to provide high-quality goods and services at a reasonable price to consumers and clients around the world with honesty, integrity, respect for the environment, and the best interest of their community in mind. However, recent and pending federal regulations targeting American businesses are forcing companies to look for new and innovative ways to cut costs and operate more efficiently than ever before.
As a data center provider, we're preparing for the future, considering carefully what ramifications we could feel from pending legislation or regulation associated with our efficiency rating. One way that we're doing that is that we are trying to determine how efficiently or more efficiently we may be able to drive our maintenance programs, our power consumption programs. What can we do to reduce our costs so that we continue to be economically viable in the future?
For the most part, business owners and industry leaders would rather find ways to improve operational efficiencies and environmentally friendliness by implementing new and proven beneficial technologies that help them build a better mousetrap, instead of being forced to cut operational costs by eliminating jobs or having to pass the costs off to their customers by hiking their prices. The key to accomplishing this arduous task for most companies today requires a decidedly new approach to the operation and maintaining of their current equipment, and a fresh way of thinking about their new equipment needs for the future.
One of the things Peak 10 Data Centers has implemented has been the GeneSys battery monitoring system. What this system enables us to do is reduce our maintenance costs, become more reliable and available with respect to our battery systems. Those battery systems feed our uninterruptible power supplies, so if the utility were to ever go away, we continue to supply power to our data centers to keep our customers whole. That has helped us leverage ourselves from a profitability standpoint moving forward so that we can hedge against any future legislation or regulation.
Developed by Precise Power of Charlotte, North Carolina, GeneSys is an innovative green solution providing a critical power and facility maintenance management tool allowing operations management to make energy conservation decisions based on a heartbeat function that provides real-time operational data for unlimited pieces of critical equipment. With a proven and reliable method of measuring and documenting mean time between failures and energy waste due to inefficient equipment, operations management and business owners are then able to compare the improved cost to savings ratio they could realize by upgrading their equipment to more efficient and greener technologies, while providing necessary documentation to meet compliance with new federal regulations.
The GeneSys network is basically an equipment network. It's where equipment can talk to other equipment and report on its well-being. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and everything is recorded. All temperatures are taken, reports of operations are taken, everything, every item is noted. All of this is done automatically. All reports are generated. It keeps people from having to be on site. It's a security issue.
According to Dan Bailey's of Precise Power, utilizing a technology such as GeneSys has had a significant impact on his company's ability to operate at maximum efficiency and make more precise operational decisions that have had a positive impact on both their profitability and desire to minimize their impact on the environment.
All industries today are impacted by environmental regulations. These companies do not want to lay off employees or pass that compliance cost on to the consumers. they're looking for ways to save money. With GeneSys end-to-end technology, they're able to maximize their efficiencies and cut costs and save money. And they can use those savings to pay for these environmental regulations.
Precise Power was started in 1984 based on human relationships. It's still based on human relationships today. We've developed a web-based service that is fully automated, services equipment without a human having to step foot on site. Sounds great, but our relationships are still there with our customers. Even if you're a sole proprietorship with a small machine or a Fortune 100 company with hundreds of machines, we know who you are, we know what your name is, and you're important to Precise Power and to the people that work at this company.
To learn more about Precise Power and the GeneSys technology, visit their website at www.genesysm2m.com or call them at 1-800-264-9809.